NBC's Aaron McLaughlin is at the Orange County Department of Education in Costa Mesa, California. Aaron, the spotlight's on Orange County. Intense. At this point, not clear what's going to happen next. Take us inside this battle that's happening there about how to reopen schools.
Yeah, Craig, and context within Orange County is absolutely critical here when you consider the positivity rate in this part of California is 14%. And epidemiologists tell me that suggests mid-range to large outbreaks happening within this community and a lack of testing. They say that opening a school within the face of those kinds of metrics risks an outbreak and a shutdown at the school within weeks. Now, the Board of Education is advisory only. It's not binding. We're already seeing school districts go their own way. To the north of the county, Santa Ana announced that it will not be reopening its schools. It will be distance learning only come the fall. Joining me now is the superintendent of schools here in Orange County, Al Mijares. We're here outside the Department of Education, which is a separate body to the Board of Education. What is your reaction to these recommendations by the Board of Education? Are they helpful or are they confusing the situation?
They're most certainly confusing the situation. I mean, quite frankly, I think that it's an ethical issue here. It's a form of malpractice. You know, our job is to protect students at all costs. That's the number one thing that parents want across the country, for their kids to be safe. And it's unconscionable for us to suggest that we should treat this thing lightly. It's a very serious problem. The pandemic is something that we have to heed with a great amount of diligence.
Now, the Department of Education has issued its own guidelines. There's state guidelines. There's federal guidelines. If you're a parent right now within your county, who should you listen to?
You should listen to the Orange County Department of Education, because we have created a plan from a multidisciplinary perspective. We've engaged medical doctors. Certainly, this is something we have to rely upon. What are the doctors saying in this particular case? We have doctors, we have educators, we have community people that are involved with us, parents involved, leaders in different areas of the school system. And we've created a document. It's called OC Together, a guide for reopening our schools. It's all done on the internet. It's live. People can access it at any time, and it's a very systematic process that we are following, and a plan that we are following that aligns with the California Department of Public Health, the California Department of Education, and our own healthcare agency.
What are parents telling you? What are their concerns?
Well, parents are very, very frightened. And as you mentioned, the hot spots that we've seen here in Santa Ana, as that intensifies and the news gets out there, parents are fearful. The most vulnerable are those parents who have no means. They're at the poverty level. They don't have health care. So for them to send their kids to school and get sick with no health care is frightening. So they'd rather keep them at home in many cases. Now, mind you, we want our kids to be in school. That's where they belong. But when you're dealing with a disease of this level, it's not something you can treat lightly. We have to treat it with a great degree of care.
Now, from the beginning of this pandemic, there have been voices here within Orange County pushing back on the science. The chief medical officer within the county resigned to death threats for her mask orders, for her shutdown orders. Do you think the politics of this situation is putting people's health, and in this case, child welfare, at risk?
Well, yeah, I do believe that the ideological issues that we face today are intense and very divisive. But this is no time for politics and ideology in the sense of what is right for kids. Right now, we have to think about the everyday experience in the life of a child and do everything we can to protect them. They're minors. They're not called adults for a reason. They're tender in many cases. They're still developing and growing, and they depend upon the adults to keep them safe.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.